Hi, I'm Laura Beth, also known as Delusion Dispeller on YouTube, and I'm coming to you today with a very important bit of information which I think you might find helpful for you or your loved ones. So please listen carefully, and hopefully, this will help give you some guidance regarding the current health crisis. First of all, let's talk about masks. And this was not posted by me. This was posted by a nurse friend of my spiritual father, and he sent it to me and asked that I share it. So here we go. A mask, first of all, is supposed to be used for a limited amount of time. If you wear it for a long time, you may lose oxygen. You will especially lose oxygen to the brain. You might start feeling weak and it could lead to death in certain cases. The advice regarding this is to take the mask off when you are alone. There's a lot of people that ride around with air conditioning on and they got the mask on, and it's just not a good idea. Don't use it at home. Only use the mask in a crowded place or when you're in close contact with one or more people. In other words, like when I'm shopping doing my batches for Instacart, I wear a mask. I'm around a lot of people, sometimes probably over 30, I would say, at one time, hustling about trying to get their groceries, pushing past me, etc. So I put a mask on. Reduce the use of it while in isolation. Um, and by yourself most of the time. You don't need it. You're not trying to protect yourself from yourself. So you don't need a mask on all day at home. This is especially for like elderly people that are very scared about getting this germ that's going around. We all know what the name of it is. I'm not going to say it because I really want this video to stay up. It's important that it does. Okay, when you are in isolation in hospitals, this is a nurse that's on the front lines telling us this. This is what they do. This is the regimen. So if you're feeling ill at home or you can't get to a hospital or there's no room in the hospital or whatever, here's some things you might want to try to help recover from this illness. 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Make sure you're taking vitamin E. From 10 to 11 hours, sit in the sunshine for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not really sure why that says from 10 to 11 hours sitting in the sunshine for 15 to 20 minutes. I don't get that, but make sure you get sunshine. We'll just put it that way. Have an egg meal at least once in the day. Take a rest. Sleep. Make sure you're sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours a night if you can. Drink about 1.5 liters of water daily. I'm not sure what that is in cups. I didn't look it up, so you could, do the research and find that out. But drink a lot of water. Make sure your meals are mostly warm, not cold. That's interesting for me because I eat a lot of cold meals. So I guess I better be careful with that if I'm starting to get ill. And that's what they do to strengthen your immune system in the hospital. Um, All they have to do to eliminate this illness is to eat more alkaline foods, lemon, green lemon, yellow lemon. I don't know what a green lemon is. Maybe that's a lime. I'm not sure. Maybe there is a green lemon. Whatever. Avocado. The pH of this illness in particular is about 5.5 to 8.5. So when you have green lemon foods, you are at 9.9 pH. Yellow lemon is 8.2 pH. Avocados 15.6 pH. Garlic 13.2 pH. Mango 8.7 pH. Tangerine 8.5 pH. Pineapple 12.7 pH. Watercress 22.7 pH, and orange is 9.2 pH. So these are things you want to make sure you're incorporating into your meals if you possibly can. I eat a lot of garlic, mango, pineapple, oranges, tangerines. I eat a lot of that stuff. And I definitely have lemon water every day. Also, I put some vinegar in it sometimes to help with digestion. It's important to do this. I'm not bragging and saying, woohoo, look at me, I didn't get it. But it may have something to do with me not being as susceptible to it when I'm in public places every single day, literally, except on my day off, Saturdays. And then I'm traveling, visiting people. And I'm okay. So I give that to credit to Yahweh and to really taking care of myself during this time. I am taking vitamin C. I am taking vitamin E. I am taking my Synthroid like I should be. I take folic acid. I take a multivitamin. So I am doing what I can on my end to at least try to protect myself. And it's important that you do as much as you can as well. All right. Now, how do you know that you have this illness? Itchy throat, dry cough, a high temperature, shortness of breath, loss of smell. And lemon with warm water will eliminate this illness at the beginning before it gets to your lungs. So if you're drinking warm lemon water every morning, it's the best thing you can do. And maybe a couple times during the day if you can think about it. I'm not home much during the day, so I don't have time to do that. But I'm always drinking lemon in any kind of water I'm drinking. If I add sweetener or like a flavoring type thing, I'm always putting lemon in with it. Okay. So finally, make sure you share this information. It says right here, do not keep this information to yourself. Pass it on. Like I said, this is from a nurse friend of my spiritual dad, my mentor. He wanted me to pass this along, so I said I would. And I am really hoping this will help improve your health and your longevity. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed day.